Hey there, and welcome. We're about to dive into something pretty cool, the hidden power of a word you use every single day. Seriously, it's a word so common you probably don't even notice it, but trust me, you should.
I mean, just think about it for a sec. How much power can one simple word really hold? We throw around thousands of words, right? But what if a tiny group of them are secretly the heavy lifters? What if one of them holds a key to how we communicate?
All right, so the word we're going to put under the microscope today is view. Yeah, view. Seems pretty straightforward, doesn't it? You know, the thing you see out your window. But as you're about to find out, there's a whole universe of meaning crammed into just those 4 little letters.
And that's the thing with words we use all the time, right? We see it, we say it, we think we know it. We're so familiar with them, we kind of overlook just how deep they can be. We use a word like view so casually that we totally miss what a powerful, versatile tool it actually is. So let's get into it. Let's explore the many jobs of the word view. We're going to break down all the different hats this one little word wears. Because it's not just one thing. It's a noun, it's a verb, it's an idea.
Okay, just check this out. As a noun, view can be that thing you can see, right? Like, my window has a great view of the ocean. But it can also be a completely abstract thing, an opinion, like having a narrow view on marriage. Then, boom, it flips and becomes a verb. It can mean to consider something. I view your changes with suspicion. Or it can mean to literally watch something. They viewed the rescue from the street. That's 4 totally different jobs from one simple word. How does it do all that?
And that really hits the nail on the head. View is so much more than just a word. It's this incredibly versatile tool for communication. It lets us talk about the world outside our heads and the world inside them. That's what makes it so powerful. But why view? What's so special about this one?
Well, it turns out there's a reason, a really specific documented reason, for all this versatility. This isn't just some random quirk of the English language, it's almost by design. It's what I'm calling the 850-word secret.
So what is this secret? What's hiding in the dictionary that gives view this incredible power?
And here it is, the big reveal. According to the Simple English Wiktionary, view is on the Basic English 850 list. Okay, so what in the world is the Basic English 850 list? Well, Basic English is this fascinating system. It's a super simplified version of English with a core vocabulary of just 850 words. The whole idea is that these 850 words are enough for pretty much all everyday communication. It's like the ultimate Swiss Army knife for language.
Just let that number sink in. 850. Not 85,000, just 850. So for a word to make that very short, very exclusive list, it has to be an absolute powerhouse. It's got to be incredibly efficient, super versatile. It has to do the job of a whole bunch of other words, which is exactly what we just saw view doing.
But wait, it actually gets even cooler. Because simple words on this list can lead to big ideas. See, being on this list doesn't just mean a word is a useful tool. It means it's a fundamental building block.
Yeah, a core word like view doesn't just stand on its own. It builds. Think of these words like seeds. From this one little seed, a whole family of related ideas can sprout, letting us express way more complex things without needing a massive vocabulary. And here's the proof right here. Look at what we get from view. We get viewer, that's someone who views, review, to view something again, interview, which is pretty cool. It's literally a view between people. Then you've got viewpoint, point of view, viewfinder. All of these more complex ideas, and they all grow from that one simple, powerful root word. And really, that's the big takeaway, isn't it? A small, powerful vocabulary is the foundation for complex expression. The strength of a language isn't just about how many words it has, but how hard its core words can work. Words like view, they're the real unsung heroes here, making all this complex communication even possible. So here's the thought. The next time you use a really simple, everyday word, maybe just pause for a second. You might be holding a key that unlocks a whole world of meaning you never thought about. So, what other simple words do you use every day that might hold a hidden power?